Say man, hey man, you already know who it is. Your boy Boosted Fit checking in with another video. And today I'm going to bring you a dumbbell chest workout that you can do on the floor. That means you can do it anywhere in the world. I don't care if you're at a hotel, if you're at home, it doesn't even matter. As long as you have some dumbbells. And I'm using some 20-pound dumbbells. If you have 10s, if you have 5s, use whatever you can to get the job done. And we're gonna pump some big blood into your chest. Charge! What's good, people? I hope everybody out there is staying safe and staying healthy. Now that I have your attention, we're gonna start this at-home dumbbell chest workout with some floor presses. Before you do anything, make sure you leave your ego at the door. To perform this movement, you want to grab the dumbbells with an overhand grip and lie flat on your back. You also want to bend your knees with your feet firmly planted on the floor. Then I want you to extend your elbows to about a 90-degree position, tricep resting on the floor while holding dumbbells above your chest. The last step is probably the most important part. You want to exhale and brace your core at the same time while extending the dumbbells toward the ceiling. No matter what you do, when you get to the top of the movement, make sure you squeeze that chest and pump as much blood into your chest as you can. Okay, Boosted Fit Nation, we're gonna move right along to the floor chest flies. You want to lie on your back the same way with your knees bent and your feet on the floor and hold the dumbbell straight up over your chest. Now that you have completed step 1, I want you to create a slight bend in your elbows so you won't hurt your elbows. Then slowly open your arms wide and out to the side. Y'all know what's next. I want you to squeeze your chest as you bring the waist back together at the top. You want to repeat this movement and all the other movements for 3 sets of 10 reps as I have showed on the screen. And once the last rep does not look like the first rep, I want you to lighten the weight because I want all the reps to look the same. I know that will be hard to do, but I want you to stimulate the muscle, not annihilate the muscle. Remember that. If you are still not able to go to a gym because of the coronavirus, this workout is perfect for you. So I'm going to leave the full workout in the description below. Say man, if you thought the first part of the workout was pie, I got something for you, Jack. We're gonna do 3-second negatives on push-up. That's right, 3 seconds down and back up, and there will be 1. And you're gonna do 3 sets of 10 reps. And I want them slow and controlled to feel that burn and pump some blood into your chest. Check this out too. I want some good push-ups. I don't want none of these half push-ups that I see everybody doing on these push-up challenges. I want you to get down in the cup and get that mining. That's right, get down in there and get that mining. As you can see, when I come back up to the top, I still squeeze my chest, and I want you to do the same. I don't want this fast-paced push-up style and you don't get none out of it, but I want you to go slow and controlled so you can feel every last rep. For the people out there that can't do a full push-up, I want you to do half push-up. But the thing is, I still want my 3-second down, and I still want my squeeze at the top. So we're not cutting any corners. We're going to get the job done, whether it's a full push-up or a half push-up. I still want my reps. I'm going to put it to you like this. Either you're going to do the work, put the work in, or you're going to watch somebody else do it. But the thing is, when you watch somebody else do it, they're making all kind of gains, and you just sitting over there spectating. So I would encourage you to get in the game and get that mind. Well, if you thought the 3-second negative push-up was tough, well, you're gonna hate me after these pike push-ups. I promise you that. To perform a pike push-up, I want you to assume a push-up position on the floor. Your arms should be straight and your hands should be shoulder width apart. This may be tough for some people, but now I want you to lift up your hips so that your body forms an upside down V. Your legs and arms should stay straight as possible. I know it's easier said than done, but I really want you to get this particular movement because it can benefit you a lot. Last but not least, pause and then push yourself back up until your arms are straight. Another thing, I want you to get your head as close to the ground as you can. Do not put your head on the ground unless you have a mat down or something like that, but get as close to the ground as possible. Once you go down and come back up, I want you to squeeze at the top and pump some big blood into that chest. Since you made it this far in the video, you might as well watch another one. I have one at the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. Click one and swallow.